We have an expression in the UK which is oops-a-daisy, which might be appropriate because I had these, you might have seen the unboxing, these Barker Orkney boots, and I don't know if it was, you know what things are like, eBay sent me a link because I must have been searching for these. You know how these things occur. Anyway, I saw the link, and here we are. Now, what's interesting is I looked at the photographs, and the sole seemed to be unused. From what I could tell, I thought it can't be. I looked at the heel, couldn't see any wear on the heel, but maybe it was the angle. There were a few shots of it, but I couldn't see. There wasn't one right on the edge of the heel, if you like. So you could see the shots were pretty much like this and so on. But you could look there and see it didn't seem to have much wear. But there was quite a bit of creasing. So I thought that's interesting. Have they been sent back to the manufacturer? The inside looked clean as well. Have they been resoled completely so that it's got a new sole and heel and with an old upper? Or, I don't know. Couldn't really figure it out. But we'll find out soon enough. Okay. Quite a sizable box. In reasonable condition, not that I'm that bothered. Let's find out then. They looked, part of them too old to be new, and some part of them too new to be old. So we'll find out. Nope, I couldn't see from the photographs, but I can see here there is a slightest wear, but obviously haven't been worn very much at all. Colour's much nicer than it appeared in the photographs. And the leather is very soft. Oh, yet another one of these. Wow, slightly different as well. And yeah, we can see there, obviously. It's very soft, the leather. Fully lined. And not as much creasing as I was expecting from the photographs. So hardly anywhere at all that I can see. Shoe bags and a spare pair of laces. So pretty much as they would have come from the factory, new. So I don't know what the story is with these, but anyway, there we go.